Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So yesterday we had this big push down, and I was saying yesterday that this could possibly be the end of a correction. If that is the end of a correction, it needs to maintain the lower low, lower highs. It needs to continue down. Now, looking at this morning, I was like, oh man, what if this is actually going to continue to range? Because we are definitely still in August, which is normally a very rangy month. This possibly could be like an expanding flat right here, like an expanding triangle type thing, and it could possibly make a whole nother move to the upside. And this would be like your A, and this would be your B, and this would be a C. If that's true, we should be able to recognize that on around the 1 hour time frame, because on the 1 hour time frame, if this right here is the end of a correction, then this will not break structure, but instead it will make a lower height. It will keep on going down, and that's how we'll know that this up here was the end of a correction. If this is actually like some sort of an expanding A, and then this is like an A, B, C, like an expanding ABC of B or something like that, or a 1 and an expanding ABC of 2, then this will go up and it will break and hold above structure, proving that this move down is complete and proving that it's probably going to make a whole nother wave to the upside for a wave C or a wave 3. So unfortunately, we're still in a pretty rangy market on most of the dollar pairs, but if we pay attention to our structure on the correct time frames and pay attention to our Fibonacci levels, hopefully we will be able to determine the main direction. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.